It's Armageddon. I'm driving through a war zone right now, and I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. I'm shocked. I'm just so sad for our devastated community.
No, I've never seen a firestorm like this. There's no words to even describe how heartbreaking. That's a life. That's your entire life. You don't get that back. The memories are gone. I hope they're alive.
What's gone up in flames? I can't believe I'm standing here. I broke every blockade to get here. It's just so sad. This is insane, but all the multi-million dollars, 30, 40, 50, $100 million beachfront homes are gone on the way here. Gone.
We have well over 5,000 acres that have burned, and the fire is growing. We have no percentage of containment. We have over 1,000 personnel assigned, and the cause of the fire is unknown. However, it is under investigation.
But we did take all of our family pictures and a few valuable paintings out last night, so, you know, all the stuff that's here is replaceable. People are not, so.
Very lucky.
So having the family is the most important thing.
To all of our viewers, please prioritize your safety as well as the well-being of those around you as we come together to continue to get through this widespread disaster.